My name's Casper and I'm the manager of Pete's shop here. We've only been here about 3 months. We were previously in the same town centre but on a different street. It's just been a mad year really, because we've been, it was previously owned by a gentleman called Pete who sadly died about 1.5 years ago, and we're in the middle of taking it over and turning it into a community benefit society. Our spot here will be really good. You know, we've got this whole new development just there basically, and a lot of people will be coming in and working there. So I think in the long run it'll be really good. But to us, I think it's a question of survival. You know, just surviving this first part of the year, because you know, just town centres are just really quiet. You know, about 2/3 of the businesses have been closed, and people just don't feel comfortable coming out. You know, for obvious reasons as well. This honey is Ton Rebel honey. That's one of our best sellers. We have staples like porridge oats, sort of brown rice, lentils, things that people, you know, just buy from a health food shop. And we've also, but trends change and things change. We've noticed a big increase of sales of our homebrew stuff because we do Whole Foods homebrew, spices and herbs, sort of local foods, and kind of world foods as well. But that's one of the good things about being a small business, is that someone can come in and say, can you get this for me? And we can look in our order book and say, yeah, we can. You know, sometimes we can't, but usually we can. But you can't do that at Tesco's or just go and say, can you get this thing for me? You know, they're not gonna. So there's a great bunch of, you know, a lot of our sort of, we support each other, you know, a lot of great little businesses in Pontypridd. And there is a business improvement district group which kind of coordinates some of that as well. But yeah, you know, there's a community generally, you know. Yeah. We've seen an increase in people looking for kind of plant-based foods. Also seen an increase in homebrew stuff as well, a lot more people doing that. And the other big trend we've seen the last few years is people looking to do refills, sort of get away from plastic and packaging. So we're expanding that range, and we've recently got a grant to expand our range of new stuff. So it's like household cleaning items, toiletries, and some foods as well we're doing.
So would the customer bring their own receptacles and then they can fill them up?
Yeah, that's right.
So that's with soap, is it shampoos and things as well?
Yeah, we've got shampoo, we've got washing up liquid, we've got hand wash stuff like that, body wash as well we're getting in, and of course, yeah, some of the foods like some grains and beans, or dried stuff at the moment as well, but like I say, we're expanding that. We're open 4 days a week at the moment, and that's Tuesdays and Wednesdays, Fridays and Saturdays.